Hey there, boys and girls. This is Mark with Mark's Gear Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the Victorinox hiker model. I'll give you a quick rundown of it. Let's set the camera down here. Now, the hiker is a 91mm variety Swiss Army knife. It's got some pretty basic loadout here. Some useful tools though. You know, as you can see, it's got the small knife, saw, and the flathead can opener combination, which, by the way, has a half stop, so if you close it, open it up, stops halfway. It's a nice resounding click, you know, so you can get some extra torque when you're fighting a tough screw. Obviously it opens all the way as well. Can be pretty tough to close though, but we'll get to that. On the other side we have a can opener, standard Victorinox can opener, and of course the main spear point blade. Now we'll close that up there. On the back we have a Phillips head screwdriver. Hold on, let me back up a bit. Phillips head screwdriver and an awl with a sewing eye. Please excuse my thumb. Cut it on my Leatherman Freestyles knife. We'll get to that in another review. But for now, it's all about this Victorinox. It's a great little tool. You know, it's got the nice Victorinox quality that everyone loves. It's handy and light. It's not too small, so you can get your hand around it very easily. But it's small enough that it's nice and portable. If I open up the main blade here, as you can see, it's quite nice, fits in the hand very easily, you know, enough to get good amounts of leverage, but still nice and portable. Very good for everyday carry, EDC. Obviously it's got this lanyard ring here. I don't personally make lanyards or work with paracord, but if you do, it's very nice to have. No locks on this model. It's a lower end model. Typically we see the locks come in at the 112mm range in Victorinox product lines, but the spring is, you know, nice solid lock, or nice solid click, but obviously for heavy duty tasks you definitely want a lock on that. Some criticisms: maybe the knives could be a bit sharper out of the box. They could have had a combo tool here, which is basically the combination can opener and bottle opener, and then had another thing, another implement in the opener layer. Same goes for the small blade, because, you know, its main purpose is pretty much carving and whittling. Not many people do that, or if they do, they'll just use the main blade. So you could have, I mean, Victorinox could have gotten rid of the small blade here, put something a bit more useful. But overall, it's very nice. I like the fact that they included a saw blade. in the middle layer there. I don't know how well it's going to hold up to wood or other types of sawing tasks, simply because of, you know, the lack of a lock here. So if it gets stuck, you know, folds, and then, I guess, nasty nick on your finger. But other than that, it's a very capable, average, light-duty, nice, high-quality Victorinox Swiss Army knife. So, that concludes this review, and I'll see you guys next time.